for you to say that a substance is an acid, it must exhibit some properties. Okay, this acid now, they exhibit some known properties, okay, which can be physical properties or chemical properties. Before you can say that a substance is an acid, it must exhibit these two properties. Okay, so have the physical properties and have the what? The chemical properties. We'll take it there one after the other. Okay, nice. So let's discuss about the physical properties. So what are the physical properties of acids? Okay, so what are the physical signs that you can see in a substance and you say, ah, this is an acid, or this is likely to be an acid? So number one physical property of an acid is that acids, they have a sour taste. Okay, nice. So acids, they have a sour taste when you place them in your tongue. Nice. Secondly, acids, they turn blue litmus to red. They turn blue litmus to red. Red. Also, phenolphthalein, okay, is turned colorless in acidic solution. So acids tend to turn phenolphthalein to a colorless color. Nice. That's another physical property. Okay. Another one is that the pH of acids are below 7. Okay. So if you bring a pH scale, okay, the pH of acids is below 7. Nice. Another property of acid is that conc acids are corrosive. Okay, so this is the bonding effect. Once these conc acids tend to touch your body, they tend to corrode your skin. Okay, so they are usually harmful to the body. Nice. So these are some of the physical properties that you can get from acids. Nice. So what are then the chemical properties of acid that you can get? So these are the physical properties of acids. Nice. So let's go on and discuss the chemical properties of acids. So what are the chemical features that an acid must possess? Okay, nice. So the number one chemical property of acid is that they react with base to form salt and water. Okay, so acids, they react with a base to form salt and water. Check the info in this video to see the link to the tutorial on bases. Okay, nice. So make sure you watch that tutorial on bases also. Nice. So acids, they react with bases to form salt and water, and this process is called the neutralization reaction. The neutralization reaction. So, for example, one is neutralization reaction. So what happens here is that an acid reacts with a base to form salt and water. Example, we have HCl, which can react with sodium hydroxide, which is a base. It's going to give you sodium chloride plus H2O. Okay, so this is our salt and this is our water. Nice. So when an acid reacts with a base, it's going to form a salt and a water, and this whole reaction is called what? Neutralization reaction. Nice. So that's number one chemical property of acids. Second property of acid is that acids, they react with metals to liberate hydrogen gas. Acids, they react with metals to liberate hydrogen gas. Nice. So these metals, they are mostly reactive metals. So it's not all metals, mostly reactive metals. Okay, nice. So they react with metals, okay, to liberate hydrogen gas. I'm going to give you an example with the chemical equation. Nice. So you have H2SO4 plus magnesium. I'm going to give you magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Okay, nice. So once acids, this is a conc acid. Once acid reacts with a metal, magnesium is a metal, as you all know. Nice. So once acid reacts with a metal, it's going to liberate a hydrogen gas. This is a chemical property of acids. Okay, the chemical feature of acids. Nice. Also, acids, they react with trioxocarbonates to liberate carbon 4 oxide. They react with trioxocarbonate to liberate carbon 4 oxide. I will give you an equation also. Nice. So, for example, you have HCl reacts with sodium carbonate. Okay, it's going to give you sodium chloride plus H2O plus CO2. Okay, so here we'll have so it's going to be here. Yeah, to get it balanced. Yeah, it's now balanced. Yes. So acids, they react with trioxocarbonates. This is sodium trioxocarbonate. Nice. So once acid reacts with trioxocarbonates, it's going to give you a salt, water, and CO2. But the most salient point here is that once acid reacts with trioxocarbonate, it's going to give you CO2, carbon dioxide. That's one of the chemical properties of acids. Nice.